Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rima and this is my first YouTube video. So in today's video, I am going to print some of my old clothes, basically a t-shirt, a tank top, and also I am going to try and print a sweatshirt as well. Recently while going through my wardrobe, I found a few old clothes and then I was like, I should revamp this. And it's also kind of fun, because you can add cool prints to it, or you can add things or quotes that you can relate to, or you can just print your own face on it. That is kind of cool too. Yes, just do whatever makes you happy. So for printing, we will need transfer paper and then iron. First things first, there are two types of transfer paper. One is light color transfer paper and another one is dark color transfer paper. So light color transfer paper is used for printing on light colored fabrics like whites or any other pastel colors, and dark color transfer paper is used for printing on dark colored fabrics like black. So I got this light color transfer paper because the clothes that I'll be printing on are white, and I got this from Amazon and it costed me around 200 rupees. So this is how the sheets looks like. It consists of 5 sheets and this is how it looks like. So you have to print on this side of the paper. And also I am going to show you the durability of the print, of how good or bad it looks after a wash. So stay tuned for that too. I got these designs printed on the transfer papers. I do not have a printer at home, so I got it printed outside. So while printing on light color transfer paper, make sure to flip the images. You can see I have reversed the images here so that after printing it appears in the right direction. Now I'm cutting out the designs. And this is how it looks like now. So I'll be using 3 designs out of this. So first I'll be printing on this t-shirt. Here I am ironing out the creases of the part that I'll be printing on. For the t-shirt I am using this design. I'm going to put it this way and then run the iron over the design. Heat the iron properly and then gently start ironing over the design. Take your time while ironing so that the print sticks to the fabric properly. It took me around 2 to 3 minutes to do this. Now I can actually see the blueprint on my t-shirt on both the sides. Now I'll let it cool and go to my next piece of clothing. Next I have a tank top. Here I am ironing out the creases. So this is the design that I'm going for, and I'll follow the same process here as well. And then I have a sweatshirt. Here I am ironing over the design, and once I'm done, I'll let it cool down. And now is the time for the final reveal. Okay, so peel the upper layer only after it has cooled down. So here you can see I'm very gently trying to peel it off. I'm trying my best not to ruin it. And yes, we are getting there. Okay, I'm actually liking what I'm seeing here. The print has turned out really very well.
Again, I'm very gently trying to peel the upper layer here. And I can see that the print is coming out really very well. This is looking really very good, yeah. So next up we have the sweatshirt. To be honest, I was a bit worried about the sweatshirt because the fabric is not 100% cotton, but the print has turned out really well. Wow, I like it. I love the colors of the sunset here. And now I'm going to see if the print survives a wash or not. So here I'm mixing some detergent with water, and this is the t-shirt that I'm going to wash. I'm turning it inside out and then I'll be dipping it in the detergent mixed water. So here I'm rubbing the hands, the neck part, and also I'm rubbing over the print now. So I've changed the water here, and now let's see how it looks like. So at this point I have to say that I'm really impressed. The print has turned out so well and it's intact even after a wash. And this is how it's looking after drying, and I'm going to print more of my clothes now.
And that was it for today's video. If you liked my video, please hit the like button down there. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.